This video is for beginners. In this video, I will show you how to download SVG files from my website, how to find them, how to extract them, and how to open them in Shortcuts a Lot software. So to begin, I think what I would recommend is to create a folder on your desktop and label it SVG downloads, and then you can download all your files into that folder, and then that way you know where they are and they are all within one location. I mean, you could just download them directly on your desktop, but then you're going to end up with a big clutter of files, and that's just too messy. The way we're going to create a folder is we're going to right click on your desktop, hover over New, and click Folder. What you want to do is you want to label it. I'm going to label mine SVG Downloads. All I'm going to put into this folder are SVG files. If at any point I'm going too fast, all you have to do is pause your video until you catch up to me. So I've named my folder, but as you can see, it blends in with the other folders, and I try to keep my desktop fairly clean, not too cluttered. There's a lot of people who have their desktop full of folders. Well, it would be really tedious trying to find this folder. So what I like to do is I like to go an extra step, and I like to assign icons into each folder. Take this for example. Whenever I want to find a folder where I dump temporary items, then all I have to do is look for one that I know is marked with an X. Boom. I don't have to read each one of the folders. I just go directly to the X. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to right click on the SVG download folder, go to Properties, find the Customize tab, select it, and go to Change Icon. You have a lot of icons to choose from. You can choose any one of these little icons. There's an icon in here that I want to use, and it's a picture of some scissors. The reason that I want to use these scissors is because I'm going to download SVG files, and these files are going to be cut with my Syzyx machine. So that's my association to this icon in this folder. Click Apply and then OK. And so now I have this folder that has this little picture of scissors. So now when I have 100 folders on my desktop and I'm looking for this particular folder, then all I have to do is look for the scissors, and there they are. Alright, so let's open up our browser and go to www.scrapbooksvg.com. In the freebies section, you have a few files that you can download. Find one that you like, click on the download link, you should get a pop-up window, and it should ask you, hey, where do you want to save this file? If you click on your desktop, look for your scissors or whatever icon you chose. So look for the folder that you created on your desktop, double click on that folder, and hit save. The file has now been saved onto your desktop folder called SVG Downloads. We're going to double click on that folder, and here you have your zipped file. In order to extract the SVG file from this zip file, you're going to right click, extract all, and you'll get this pop-up window right here. For the most part, what it's going to do by default, it's going to want to extract it in a folder inside here already, right underneath it, in the same folder where the zip file is. It's going to want to extract the SVG file in a folder within itself, and that's fine too. So you just want to go ahead and hit extract, and what it's done, as you can see, you have your zip file here, and then you have your extracted file here. So now you have your SVG file. Now that you've extracted your file, let's open Shortcuts a Lot. You're going to click on the SVG icon, go to your desktop, find your SVG downloads folder, or whatever it is you labeled it, open the folder that you extracted, and as you can see right there you have your SVG file, and right here it'll show you a little preview of the file. Select it, click open, and you have opened your SVG file. You are ready to cut.